So today's topic is what is an IP address, what is IPv4 and IPv6 protocols. An IP address or Internet Protocol address is a numerical label assigned to every device on a computer network, acting like a digital street address to identify the device and its location, allowing data to be sent and received over the internet or local networks. Let's imagine that as a gigantic worldwide portal system. When you want to send a letter, which is like sending a message or a data on the internet to a friend, you must need a unique street address to make sure that the letter gets to the right house. An IP address, which stands for Internet Protocol Address, is that a unique street address from your device, like your smartphone, computer, or tablet. Its function is to tell the other devices where to send information to and where your device send information from. So as Internet Protocol Address is like a unique address or unique code or unique number that is assigned to every device which we use that has an internet access. So it is used to identify the device uniqueness and to identify the receivers or the other devices uniqueness. Also, the internet protocol is a set of rules like a post office rule book that determines how the data is packaged and sent using these addresses. We can understand that with an example. When we type youtube.com into the browser, your device or computer, smartphone sends a request. This request has your IP address on it. So the YouTube server knows exactly where to send the video data back into. So if your device has a unique IP address and when you send a request through internet to the site knows that they have to send back you the information through that IP address which they got from your device. If we didn't had IP address, there would be a lot of confusion. IPv4 protocol, or that is Internet Protocol version 4. It is the original version of the address system of IP address. It has long numbers broken into 4 groups separated by dots. For example, you can see it is 192.168.1.1. It is an example. However, the numbers which we are seeing, that is 192, it can be up to 255 and so on and so forth. Like 168 is also mentioned, it can be up to 0 to 255 and so on, 1 point and also 1. So that is the Internet Protocol version 4. And also it was designed a long time ago. It can create about 4.3 billion unique addresses. We can think of it like a town that has 4.3 billion house numbers. But with everyone in the world having multiple devices, phones, tablets, or everything, we would be running out of that unique addresses. So, example, our house or home uses main public IPv4 address for whole house, like a big apartment building address. Your router then gives each device inside your home a private address that is 192.168.1.10. That is only used inside your house. That saves the public IPv4 addresses, but it's only a temporary fix. You can understand that to run out of this 4.3 billion unique addresses, which sounds like too much, but it is specific to that 4.3 billion, so it is limited, we can say. So to fix that problem temporarily, we assign that to each house or main home with that one address. It is a temporary fix. To fix it permanently, we had introduced, or Internet Protocol has introduced, the protocol that is IPv6 or Internet Protocol version 6. This is a new and improved version of the address system to solve the address shortage. As in the previous IPv4 protocol, it has limited, although it looks like 4.3 billion is too much, but it is temporary or limited, as to like population might increase, devices can increase. So to fix that issue, this Internet Protocol version 6 was introduced. It has much longer addresses that uses numbers and letters separated by colons. Because it's so long, it often has shorthand rules like skipping groups or zeros. For example, you can see 2001. For example, you can see 2001 colon 0 db8 colon 85a3 colon 4 zeros colon 4 zeros colon 8a2e colon 0370 colon 7334. It is a long address, so it has much more uniqueness, and it can have much more possibilities, which is in the solution address for everything. IPv6 can create a huge number of addresses, that is about 340 trillion, and also that's under like a 340 under zillion. That is a lot. That means every grain on the sand of earth could have its own unique IP address, and we still wouldn't run out. So to fix that limited IPv4 4.3 billion issue, we had created IPv6 protocol that has enough IP addresses that would fill the sand on the earth, and we would be still having a lot to left for to use. It allows every single device to have its own unique address, making the internet simpler, faster in the long run. For example, every device computer in the world needs its own address for the internet. IPv4, IPv6 adds more than enough numbers to give every single one a complete unique address, no sharing needed. So every device, if you have 10 devices and your home has even more devices of each person, IPv6 protocol has enough addresses to give each device unique IPv6 address to fix the IPv4 issue. So that's the video for today. I hope it was helpful, gaining you the insight into what is IP address, IPv4 and IPv6. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share this video. Have a great day. Bye.